guys.
Good morning. We are on an adventure today, just the girls. Where are we at?
Ashe Cheese.
Ashe County Cheese. We're going to go watch some cheese being made, and we're also going to go check out the store. We're excited. We're going to maybe get some cheese goodies. Anyways, here we go. Let's go have a cheesy adventure. Hey guys, so we are close to the manufacturing plant here in Ashe County. We found some giant cows. Y'all go stand beside the cows to show how big they are. They're huge. Oh my goodness. I know.
As you said, we make friends everywhere we go.
So we are walking up.
Look at how big.
Viewing room.
Oh, how big he painted on that thing. How big
Viewing room right here. It says viewing room. So cool.
Established in 1930 to serve the needs of area dairy farmers, Ashe County Cheese has long washed, water and whey are completely drained. Getting the last of the whey to drain requires ditching the curd down the center 2 or 3 times. At this point, we check the acidity of the whey to determine if the curd is ready for salting. If it is, we salt.
Just think, Abigail.
If not, we continue to stir the curd until.
Hey guys, what's up? So we just got out of the store. We didn't video in there any because it's pretty packed in there. But the girls are pretty excited. Come here. So the girls, you okay? One of the things they got is a pucker powder stick, and they built different flavors in it. What you think, Peyton?
So we bought.
You want some of that soda? Anyways, we bought a few things. Once we get in the truck and get loaded up, we'll show you guys what all we got. Hey guys, so one of the things we got was a knee-high grape soda. Abigail's currently choking on pucker powder, so she's gonna try it. Abby's not a soda liker, but here we go.
It's pretty good. For a cheese store, that's good.
That's a good grape soda. That's an old soda right there.
We got.
Good stuff. Hey guys, we decided to do another taste test here. So we got some caramel popcorn back road country stuff. I've heard all the rage. This stuff is good. We'll see how it tastes. All right, Abigail, you want to hold the video so I can open this? Got it? All right.
I'm good.
Maybe.
We need to get out of here.
Oh, that smells like cereal.
It smells like syrup.
Oh, that's good.
Tastes like syrup.
Oh, bump it, girl. Let's check Abigail. That was good.
Okay.
Daddy will probably like that. Get him a glass of milk and eat some popcorn. What's up, guys? Jennifer here. We are on the way back to the camper finally, but I wanted to hop on here for just a second. In our travels in and around West Jefferson, we stopped at a roadside stand, and I cannot for the life of me remember the name of the stand, but it is just off of NC 88 as you're headed back to Laurel Springs. Anyways, awesome little stand. We were able to get some fresh South Carolina peaches, like just delivered today. I grabbed a fresh cantaloupe, which I'm super excited about. As much as you can as you're traveling, support your local farmers. These people actually grew a lot of the vegetables and fruits that they were selling. And as I was leaving, this gentleman stopped me and he was like, "Hey, can I interest you in a free sample of my sauce?" And I'm like, kind of creepy, but yeah, sure. I mean, like, it seemed pretty friendly. I didn't get any weird vibes or anything. So I stopped and tried it. And the sauce was so good. I ended up getting the girls a sample as well, but I ended up going in and buying the sauce, y'all. The sauce right here, McMaster's hog sauce. Y'all, this guy is actually based, he said he is originally from the Winston-Salem area, which small world, you know, like really close to where we are. But the sauce is so good. It's got a great flavor. It's not spicy. And it's gonna be really good. I'm thinking we're gonna do maybe like some baked pork chops in the oven, and I'm gonna smother them bad boys in that sauce, and it's gonna be so good. Anyways, if you're ever in the area of West Jefferson on NC 88 and you find yourself passing by a little roadside stand, I'll try and look up and insert the name here down below in the caption of the name of the stand. Super friendly. They were a little bit busy today, but such good stuff, and we'll show you a little bit later the produce that we were able to get. We'll see you in a little bit, guys. Bye. What is up, guys? It is Saturday. We leave this beautiful campground, Miller's Campground, tomorrow, so we're taking the evening to have a little campfire.
Hey, this place actually had internet.
Oh my goodness. Anyways, so we are just kind of enjoying the evening. Absolutely gorgeous here at our camp spot. I have to say that Miller's Campground... Girl, stop! Miller's Campground has definitely won a happy spot in our heart. So we love the place. We made some friends while we're here from Florida. Shout out to Rachel and her beautiful kiddos. We cannot wait to come back here, that's for sure.